Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health of your HP 255. To check the battery health of your laptop, you're gonna have to download and install the HP Support Assistant, which is available on the HP Support website. All you have to do to install it is just reach this website. So open your web browser, then go to your search engine. So in my case it will be Google. Okay, and in Google we are going to search for HP Support Assistant to go directly to the HP Support Assistant page. Let's open the support.hp.com website that says HP Support Assistant and click download HP Support Assistant 9. Then once the setup file is downloaded, you simply have to run it and wait until the installation is finished. Sometimes to finish the installation properly, you also have to restart your computer afterwards. And after you do that, you will find this icon on your desktop. If you double click it, you will open the HP Support Assistant, where you're going to have to click continue as guest because we don't want to waste time to sign into our account. And after that, we're going to have to select battery right here on the dashboard, after we of course skip the popping up windows. Now click run battery check underneath your battery and wait until this check is finished. Usually it takes up to a minute, sometimes a bit longer. And once we get the results, let's click show advanced information so that we can find the device's full charge capacity, which we can find right here in this place. So as you can see, in my case, the full charge capacity of this laptop is 39 watts an hour, which is 95% of the original capacity. So basically the battery health of this battery is at 95% of its original capacity, which is, by the way, 41 watts an hour. We can also find the cycle count, the warranty type, manufacturer, serial number, and if you see that your device's battery is overused, you can click find HP accessories on the same page and find them using your web browser on the official HP website. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.